Yes, welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende, FMD by Moses. In program number 27, we are going to learn how to write a program which return value, which return value. Now we know that function named int are the functions which return value. So we'll create a function called addition, but this function will only return value, so it is not a void. There is a difference between void addition and int addition. So after creating a function which return value, we'll call it in the main function. Figure number 49 shows this piece of code, and figure number 50 show how the output should be looked from the console. So let us go and open your compiler, create a new file, #include iostream using namespace std int addition. Our function is called addition, but this time it return a value. So return x x plus y, but it pass parameter int x int y. So here we go. Let us write or create a main function in which we'll call a function called int addition. Do this. Put a comment here. C++ function, that return value. That return value. Int sum, int a, int b, then cout, prompt a user to enter two integers, to integer number here. Put a semicolon, read those integer number inserted by user, then sum is equal to addition a comma b, that way, semicolon, cout, send a message to the user telling him what is the summation of those numbers. Sum of two entered a number is sum. So return 0, return 0. So that is that is the end of our program. We have created a function called int, but it return value. Then we have called it in our main function. So let us see how we should save this program. So we should save this program as a return function. So compile and save this program as a return function. Return function. As you can see, our program is free of errors, error, zero warning. Compile and run it. Okay, our program prompts us to enter two integers, integer number. Let me enter 2. Sum of entered number is 4. It is true that 2 plus 2 is 4. So let us compare our output from our book to the output from the console. Now you may see that it is true that the sum of two numbers, 2 plus 2 is 4. Yeah, that is, we are right. So that is the end of this program. That is the end of this program number 27. Do not miss program number 28. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. I remind you, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We need your feedback. Thank you. See you next video.